formulas. So as per our actual class, we are in Iris Satosa, and similarly the column is pertaining to the actual classes, and this class 1 is belong to wherever we are using 2 inputs to predict my class, and class 2 is for where we are using 4 input for predict my class. So for making it mathematically, so we have seen this formula, this Pythagoras formula is there, so which we have to make sure we will be getting a distance of each data points for a new data value. So for that purpose, we are saying we are expecting 2 values from user, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, and based on difference, I'm returning my distance. It's nothing but a distance. So we are testing with the basic data 5.1 and 3.5 is my test case which I'm evaluating. I should get my class with minimum distance as Iris Satosa. That's my call which you have to take. Then I run my loop. Then I make a list before that, ls distance. Then I run my loop 150 times because the size of my data set is 150. So for getting as x1, I am referring my range which is 0 to 149. So on each row, I am iterating this procedure. So x1, y1 I am getting with x s length and s width. A similar distance has been calculated based on calling this function, and distance I am storing in ds distance, ls distance list. And I am putting one more column, a distance with the help of ls distance which I calculated. So I'll be getting data like this. So I can sort my data based on distance in ascending order. Byte for data is being sorted in descending order. In ascending order only. If you want to change in descending, you can change in. You can say ascending false. Ascending, you can say false. But here we are not looking for that. So even though if you say data is a column is distance and we are ascending sorting of this data, you say if I go for top 5 values, I'm getting Satosa only. There is no confusion available for in the case of Satosa, but in the case of other classes, I might get some other options based on top 5 or top 3 values. This group will get classified. If you take head 5, or I am considering that we are working on the and neighbor 5, so I am making a group of 5 for evaluating whether which group I should go for new data values. Out of 5, the 3 values of similar group would be considered as a group name for a new instance. That's a case which we prefer.